In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can sign in on your Nintendo Switch 2. It really is a simple process, so we're going to dive straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But starting off in the home menu, what you're going to want to do is go over to your system settings all the way down at the very bottom. Go ahead and open this up, and you're going to want to find users on here. So scroll down until you see users, and you're going to see a section on here that says add user. Go ahead and obviously select that, and you'll see two different options: add user without a Nintendo account or sign in with a Nintendo account. Make sure you choose sign in and link a Nintendo account, something like that. And you'll have two different ways to sign in: with a QR code or with an email or password. It really is up to you. Obviously, if it's QR code, go ahead and scan it with your phone, log into your Nintendo account, or if it's through email and password, enter in your email, enter in your password, hit sign in. And if you don't already have a Nintendo account, you can go ahead and create a new account in this section as well. It'll tell you to create one using a phone or PC. Follow the steps there, come back, sign in, and that is it. Once you are signed in, your profile will now be linked and ready to use. But if this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.